Okay, I figured I'd give you a quick introduction to the changes that I've added to the collecting missions website. Uh, Here I've added you can see a little button that you can select to search for different things. So you can search for traits, you can search for missions, samples, and accessions. I'm just going to show you the trait query for now. So what you can do is you have the ability to select by crop now, so the crops that have been mapped by Hannes and Ilaria. So you can select from all these different crops. For now I'm just going to test Musa, and you get these little two fields here. So the one on the left is basically the trait name. So as an example, you can maybe I can show you. You can start typing something. As soon as you start typing, you get an autocomplete, a suggestion of the things that exist in the system. So I just typed O, and you can see that there is all these different traits, and you also see that there's an identifier next to it that can be used in the future to map to the trait to this trait that exists on the crop ontology website. So just to test right now, I'm just going to choose this trait. It's a Musa trait. It's called Loch's color. And as soon as I select this other box, I'm in fact going to get, here you go, all the values that exist for this trait. So I can go ahead and maybe select pigmentation absent if that's the one I'm interested in. Oops, sorry, select it again. And as soon as I click submit, you can see that on the map I get all the samples that have been recorded and that have been mapped to have this particular trait with this particular value. So I can go ahead and maybe choose another crop, maybe sorghum, and I can do the same. Let me just empty these out. So maybe I can go ahead and F, and sorry, I'm going to fix this, but maybe I can select, okay, geological features. It's not really a trait, but let's see what happens and what data we have for that. So as soon as I select this other box, just give it a second. Here you go. I'm going to create a little loading bar there, but you can see that all the possible values that exist for geological features are these. And you can, of course, you can type some and it will autocomplete. See basaltic based on, so I'm going to select this one, which is really long. See what happens. I'm going to click submit. And apparently there's only one sample that exists in Cameroon, it seems. And you can click on it and get information, of course. For now, I'm going to still have to change this information to show more data, but you can see for now how useful the trait query interface is. So let me know what you think.